Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle, and I'm here to show you the Sero, designed by Richard Rogers. The blade is just over 3 inches long and a beautiful Damascus finish on both versions of these models, with a matching Damascus inlay on either an all black or a bronze titanium handle. Each model has a different pattern that will be consistent within each model, and each blade corresponding inlays will have their own unique design within that pattern. When open, the Sero is just under 7.5 inches long, making it a capable EDC, as well as a lovely piece of pocket jewelry. While these both only have one deployment method, the flipper tab, the blade flies out quickly and reliably, thanks to the IKBS within the pivot. I'm already a huge fan of the Sero, not only because of its design and elegance, but also because of how thin and comfortable it is to carry. I'm a big fan of titanium in general, and the Sero is extremely thin and lightweight while still feeling strong. If you're looking for a thin, lightweight EDC that's equal parts knife and art, check out the Sero, designed by Richard Rogers, made by CRKT.